You're listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.
It's Monday, August 10th. Let's look at what this means for retail investors in Korea. Here's what's moving under the surface of your portfolio. Foreign investors dumped nearly 6 trillion won in chip stocks in a single week. At the same time, money is flooding into a corner of the ETF market you may not be watching. And Korea's market just posted its healthiest breadth in months, even on down days. Foreign investors have been rotating out of semiconductors and into biotech, defense, and autos since early August. Samsung Electronics and SK hynix are both sitting near their lowest foreign ownership levels of the year. The shift reflects lingering doubts about how long the AI chip cycle can keep running. Foreign investors sold 5.9183 trillion won, roughly $4.2 billion, of chip and component stocks between August 3rd and 7th. Samsung Electronics foreign ownership fell to 46.63%, down 5.77 percentage points from this year's high. Covered call ETF assets in Korea hit 25.985 trillion won, or about $18.6 billion, up 70% from 15.0373 trillion won at the end of last year. On days the KOSPI fell in the first week of August, 53.3% of individual stocks still rose, well above this year's down-day average of 30.9%. So what does this mean for you if you're holding chip names or considering an ETF switch? Earlier, we said money is moving into a corner of the market you might not be watching. That corner is covered call funds, which trade upside for steady payouts in choppy markets. If your holdings are concentrated in Samsung or SK hynix, the foreign selling pressure is a signal to watch position sizing, not a call to act. And the improving market breadth suggests the rally may be broadening beyond chips, which is worth knowing whether you're adding or holding. That's today's AI PRISM, Retail Investors. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI PRISM is a WAN-IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.